In Duncannon from about 1904 till the end of the 80s, the Lightning guider sleds were manufactured at this little facility here, and they were probably the main manufacturer. Their busy time was actually during the summer months in preparation for the winter. They could put out about 1,000 children's sleds a day. There's a great television video from 1984 showing how they made it. The Rosen family closed it around 1990 and reopened as the old Sled Works, which was a combination museum and antique store, but it had everything baby boomers loved: soda fountains, old cars, old signs. It was crazy. I was a flexible flyer guy myself. That facility was in New Jersey, and the original manufacturing ceased operations around 1968. I'm going to see if I can look inside and see if there's anything left here. I'll show some still photos of what used to be inside of this building, but there really isn't anything left inside. This Coke sign appears to be original, but that's about it.
The Lightning Sled Group began selling their product at the turn of the century, just after the patent for the steering mechanism on the sled became public property. Norm Rosen is owner and president of the Lightning Group.
There are only 3 sled companies left in the United States, and we ship our sleds all over the country. We ship Georgia, California, Maine, and all points in between.
The Lightning Sled is 80 years old this year, and aside from the addition of a few machines, they are made the same way they were back in 1935.
Unfortunately, I had only lived here 3 months before this place closed for good at the end of December 2022. I'd love to know what happened to all the merchandise.